Today, influenza kills 30,000 people every year. And while there's a lot of fear right now about Ebola, health officials say the flu is more dangerous for most people. But it's preventable, something one mom learned the hard way.
This is Martin's signature 4 days before he passed.
Diane McGowan has a tattoo on her wrist, a tribute to her son who died when he was 15, complications from the flu.
He had the longest eyelashes, but his infectious laughter, I definitely miss him.
Her heartbreak is mixed with guilt. Martin never had a flu shot that could have saved his life. Diane was afraid of the chemicals, and 9 years ago, before Martin died, flu shots were not recommended for healthy teenagers. They are now.
My decision not to vaccinate, I have to live with that.
Diane, who created the Martin Flu Foundation, was part of an influenza meeting of state leaders and health officials urging people to get vaccinated.
This flu season thus far, we've had 98 cases of confirmed influenza. Last year, we had 131 influenza-related deaths.
Robin Rothermel with the Pennsylvania Department of Health says people need to be reminded that the flu is more dangerous to most people in the United States than Ebola.
The potential of the numbers that influenza will impact is significantly greater.
Hoping to improve vaccination rates, some officials received the needle-free vaccine during the meeting. Last year, only 47% of Pennsylvania residents got a flu shot. Diane says it's a simple step that can prevent disaster.
His baseball number was 8, so as you can see, it turns into an 8, or it also is infinity. So Martin, I love you, infinity.
Truly heartbreaking. Now, with cases of flu already being reported in our region, doctors say it's important to be vaccinated now because it takes 2 weeks to be affected. We have a lot more information for you on influenza, including where you can get a flu shot in your neighborhood. CBSPhilly.com, click on health. Martin, by the way, was perfectly healthy, got sick one night and was dead less than 24 hours later.
Wow. Unbelievable. So tragic. And yet it's such an important reminder that his mom's giving us. All right. Thank you, Steph.